So how the series is doing quite well, then I'm gonna try to keep it going since we don't get any newer builds for mobile or for desktops. And well, still news, some which might be true, some might be just false rumors. And let's start with the first rumor and as well picture that we got on a tweet, which is saying that probably the next version of Windows 10 Mobile might not be using Silverlight applications, or Microsoft is trying to get rid of those applications. And I got asked about this question, if I think it's a good idea or if it's a bad idea. And I think it's like 50-50, because if you're going to stop or block those applications, old applications, then you're gonna make developers to use the new universal application, which is good, but as well bad, because there is a lot of applications that still use Silverlight. We got a very good example, WhatsApp, that they always bring new features, always update WhatsApp, but WhatsApp is using this old architecture, which is Silverlight. So I don't really know what's gonna happen if Microsoft will block those applications. Then we're not gonna have WhatsApp? What? It doesn't make sense, but also makes sense, but we're gonna need to see how that one will gonna work. The next one we have is so much awaited Microsoft Surface Phone, Surface Mobile, and we got on a Chinese website some rumors about it being called Microsoft Surface Mobile. Again, might be true, might be not true. And also on that post it says a bit of description from the next Microsoft Surface Mobile, which again, mobile doesn't mean directly a smartphone. Mobile means tablet, mobile means a laptop, mobile means something like a watch as well. It's also mobile, you can take it with you. But we can see in that post that they're trying to use Continuum on that Microsoft Surface Mobile. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be a smartphone, but it will have the Continuum feature, but we have to see that one, because this Surface Mobile, it's going already long time ago and we still don't have anything approved. And the last one is the new Cshell for Windows Mobile and as well Windows desktops. Windows Central, or Zach from Windows Central, have made a video on the new Cshell. I don't really know how did he got that build, because this build is not available for the public, it's not available on insiders. Because I got asked if how can we install that build. I can't install that build neither, and I think that build already will require a pretty powerful phone, because in that video he's using HP Elite X3, which has a pretty powerful CPU. It's 830 or 835. We can see that the notification it's straight from PC. Then the tiles they are directly like on PC as well. We have the large tile, which we were asking for so long. This was the idea since the whole Windows 10 idea started. This was the idea of Microsoft, having like one OS in all the devices. So having this new Cshell, it will help very much, because you're gonna have only one shell for desktop, for mobile, for Xbox, and all the ecosystem of Windows. But of course, how it's not so easy to develop such thing, to rewrite a new shell. Of course, it took so much time. This Cshell might be the reason why Microsoft stopped producing newer phones, because this new version with this new Cshell might require pretty powerful smartphones, and most of the smartphones, even the Lumia's 950, 950 XL, they don't have the latest CPUs. Only the HP Elite X3 has the CPU 830 or 835, which this Qualcomm 835 will support Windows 10 on ARM devices. Older CPUs will not support it. So this might be the reason, because if Microsoft will release smartphones with older CPUs and then Microsoft now comes with a newer version that requires better hardware, then those phones will not be able to update to the newer version. It's pretty amazing how for half a year we didn't get like any new exciting news about Windows Mobile, and now all of a sudden, like a few weeks, we're getting lots of rumors about the next Windows Mobile. We saw from the video from Windows Central that this new Cshell, it's real, and Microsoft is actually working pretty hard on it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know your opinions in the comments.
Haters again.